Hello everyone. Here I have with me Mr. Sumanta Ghosh from Aegon Life Insurance. It's really a pleasure to have you here, sir. It was indeed a wonderful, knowledgeable panel and it was our pleasure to be a part of it. So firstly, I would like to understand that how was your overall experience in our prestigious summit, that is the India Insurance Summit and Awards 2024?
It's good. I've been with Cinex and attending India Insurance Summit. I think this is probably the third year I'm doing this with you guys. As usual, it's all very relevant topics are being discussed and demonstrated. And what can I say? I'm happy that I could gather something and I could share something.
Likewise, sir, we are also very happy to work with you again and looking forward to work with you more. Coming to next, you being an industry expert, how do you see this industry, insurance industry, in the next 5 years?
So I think, and then typically in Indian context, it would be all about penetration and scale. Okay, so we have a huge challenge in front of us in terms of how we can be best in scaling all our operations because India is a huge country with lots of population and insurance penetration is very less. So I trust and I believe that a lot will happen in penetration. So, as our Prime Minister also said, like, okay, we'll be having like Ghar Ghar Pe insurance. That would be the concept. So that is a huge challenge. I mean, while it's very good to hear, but at the same time, we as insurers have to fight on this challenge of how we can penetrate, how we can make our processes scalable so that we can reach out to the en masse of India. So that's what is going to happen down the line next 5 years. There's huge change coming up and it's all around scale, penetration, reaching out.
Very well said, sir. One last question. Would you like to share your thoughts on the current opportunities and challenges in the Indian market?
Yeah, opportunities, as I also mentioned in my last question, like it's a huge opportunity in terms of like, okay, it's very minuscule percentage of Indian households are insured. Okay, from specifically from the life insurance point of view, it's even less. So it's a huge opportunity. And in a sense, it's a challenge as well, whether we'll be able to come up with our ecosystem ready to tackle that opportunity. Another areas of challenges, in insurance business, if you want to scale, if you have to do, reach out to the entire Indian audience, how we can still prevent, because insurance is a very much regulated industry, there is a lots of possible frauds and stuff, how we can still address those problems in a way which scales. Okay, so that's the biggest challenge and we have to solve for that problem. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your thoughts, sir. It was, indeed, I would again and again say a pleasure to have you here. And I again would like to say that we would love to have you again next year. Thank you so much.